Stake your Flare to earn staking rewards and FlareDrops. To get started, you'll need at least 50,000 FLR. Let's walk through the setup. Tap Flare in your wallet. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Select Stake. To stake, your FLR must be on the keychain. Tap Cross-chain to move your tokens. Tap the question mark icon in the upper right for more information. Once done, tap Go Back. We recommend transferring slightly more than 50,000 FLR, since the operation requires a small fee of 0.001 FLR, and tap Continue. Review the transaction details, then tap Confirm. Tap Close once the transfer is complete. You're now ready to stake. Next, choose your validator. There are several comparison sites. One is flaremetrics.io. Visit /validators section for detailed performance metrics. We suggest choosing a validator with high uptime and a fee below 20%. Bifrost Wallet operates 2 validators. Tap the one you prefer. Enter the amount. Again, the minimum is 50,000 FLR. Now set your staking duration. The minimum is 14 days. During this time, your tokens will be locked and inaccessible. The longer you stake, the higher the rewards. Tap Max to see the maximum duration available, based on the current staking cycle. Important, once your staking period ends, you'll need to return to this screen, claim and stake again, to keep earning rewards. In this example, we'll stake for 14 days. Tap Continue. Review the details and tap Confirm. Finally, tap Close. That's it, your Flare is now staked. Just remember to come back in about 14 days to claim your rewards and stake again. And that's how you stake Flare in Bifrost Wallet. For further questions, I recommend watching these videos. We also have a blog article linked in the description. You can also contact us by visiting support.bifrostwallet.com and tapping the chat window on the lower right. For more tutorials, subscribe and stay up to date on new releases.